What up, everyone? Welcome back to the vlog. We're about to go on a little cruise with my friend, TikTok subnautz. You've seen her before in my other videos if you've watched them. Alright, I'm ready. Yep. Gotta get rid of those chicken strips. I'm just joking. Oh yeah, definitely. Alright, what's going on, everyone? Thank you for coming to the vlog. I am here with my friend Jess, aka subnautz, and we're gonna go on the Backroads and do a little exploring. She's gonna take me out to these twisties I've never been on before, so it should be a fun time. I'm gonna be yapping with her, so some of the things that I say probably isn't gonna make sense to you guys, but it is what it is. Yeah, I want to change my headlights on my my bike. They make some cool aftermarket ones that I want to get, but yeah, we'll see. Right here. You might have to close it and reopen it. Yeah, now it's getting warm. Onward. Oh my god, my bike is so hot.
That stressed you out?
What's that?
That stressed you out?
It does. It's like at 220. I'm like, oh my god, already. We're going off-roading. Oh my god, it's so slippery. Get all this dirt off the tires. I want to go see that Deadpool and Wolverine movie so bad. My friend went to go watch it yesterday. She's like, it's so good. I mean, my friends and I are gonna go on Sunday. Yeah, but like, I was wondering if you've seen it already, because like, I've heard it's like really good. I love Ryan Reynolds. Whoa, look at that view. So you've taken this road before?
Yeah, I have. I think you just said that
Yeah.
and my friend
it's all uphill also, or downhill, I'm sorry. So you kind of gain a lot of speed. If it was uphill, it'd actually be a lot easier, I've noticed. Oh, my friend, when I first started riding, he took me out, and it was at nighttime. So like, he took me out to the back road a little bit, and I was like, I can't see anything. So like, I was like trying really hard to like pay attention, but like he was ahead of me, and I was like, dude, I can't see shit. I don't know where the turn starts or ends. Yeah, it was pretty, honestly, that was pretty scary. This cycle is just taking up the whole road. Alright, he's just right in the middle. I think I know where we are actually. I used to drive this way when I used to work up here at the house when I used to live with my parents. Yeah, I think I know where we are actually.
But you've never been on motorcycle?
No, I've been honestly meaning to, but I just never had the chance. Sorry, just yawned. A little bit. I kind of went to sleep a little late. I was watching a movie. I watched the Day After Tomorrow. Have you seen that movie? Yeah. It's a good movie. I'm sorry, have I done any what? No, not yet. I want to, like you said, I'd probably be more comfortable going on the track and learning, but like you said also, all the tracks are like super far away, and it kind of sucks. I wish they, do you remember Race Legal when it was here? It's called Race Legal. It's like they had it at Qualcomm Stadium when it was still there, and it was like they would close off part of the parking lot and people would drag race, and then sometimes they had like what's it called, autocross, where people with like cars would like, they would set up like a little track with like cones, and you would just have to drive around it as fast as you can. And I feel like that'd be kind of cool with motorcycles, to try to get used to driving slow and just like learning how to like really lean your bike. But yeah, they don't have that anymore. did?
Yeah. I used to jump them.
Oh, whoa, that's cool. Was it scary?
It's just so expensive.
Oh, I know. I can only imagine how expensive it is.
I hate you.
What a jackass. Yeah, that's where the cafe is. Okay.
Yeah.
I am cooking.
Yeah. Did you put on sunscreen?
No. It's kind of a fail. We didn't even get to eat.
Sorry, they were a lot better last time.
Oh no, it's okay. Like I said,
Sorry, go on.
I usually give them the benefit of the doubt and just say, oh, they're just understaffed. There's this motorcycle store right here, and they have like a bunch of motorcycles for sale.
Don't tempt me.
They have a bunch. And they have like a pretty big variety.
Bay's Power Shop?
Yeah.
Are you happy with the 600 or do you plan on upgrading?
I probably will upgrade. Yeah. I'm stopping in the shade.
Yep. Oh my god, look at that house.
Which one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Every time people have their hands out like that, I want to grab it.
That'd be so funny. They'd be like, what the fuck?
Feels good to let go of cars.
I know, just stand up for a second, straighten up.
Yeah.
We're gonna turn left here. I couldn't hear
What
him.
do you think?
I don't know.
Oh, I just dropped
Oh
it.
no. And there is a big line.
Oh my god. It is Saturday.
I know. What do you think?
Luda Grill, Rubio's. We can check out the line.
Yeah, I was gonna see like what the wait time was.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.